Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Your number is active and your carrier supports visual or dial-in voicemail. Once confirmed, make sure you have the PIN or default temporary password. Many carriers use 0000 or 1234 because you'll need it immediately. Next, press and hold 1 or dial your carrier's voicemail number. This connects you to the menu. As you listen, identify the prompt for mailbox settings. This is where you'll change greetings and PINs, so stay ready to enter options when prompted. Once in the mailbox settings, navigate to the greeting or personal options. Use the keypad numbers the prompts list. You'll be prompted to record, speak clearly, and at a measured pace so callers can understand your name and purpose. After recording, the system will offer to replay. Listen carefully and re-record if background noise or mispronunciation occurs. Then save the greeting and any PIN changes. This ensures your new recording is used, and your mailbox remains secure against unauthorized. To finish, test everything by calling your number from another phone, confirm the greeting plays and that messages record properly. If you can't access settings due to a forgotten PIN, use the carrier app or website to reset it or call support for an unlock. If visual voicemail won't update, make sure the app has permissions or uninstall and reinstall to clear cache. Finally, if callers report problems, re-record in a quieter spot. This fixes most clarity and cutoff issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.